Let's talk about the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is named after the famous mathematician René Descartes. And basically what it is that we have two axes. We have a vertical y-axis and we have a horizontal x-axis. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. They both intersect at this point right here. It's called the origin. This is the point 0, 0, and that is called the origin. By having these two axes intersect, which means they cross, we have 4 sections now, and they're called quadrants. So there are 4 quadrants. These quadrants are numbered counterclockwise using Roman numerals. So this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. We start numbering our axes using positive numbers to the right of the origin. So this is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, and so forth. Going up the y-axis, we have positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, and so on. To the left of the origin, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. And then going down, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. What is graphed on this coordinate plane? Points. Each point or ordered pair is x comma y. So if I want to graph the point 2 comma 4, I'm going to label this point A, just so that you understand what we're talking about. You would first have to locate 2 on the x-axis, because this is my x, this is my y, this is an ordered pair, x comes before y in the alphabet. So you have to go to 2 on the x-axis. This is not the final point. I'm just showing you this so that you can follow along. And then here's 4 on the y. We're going to find out where these 2 are going to meet. They meet right here, so that's the point that we want, the point 2 comma 4. So here's the point 2 comma 4. And again, I only did those other points to illustrate to you what it is that we're doing. But in reality, those points do not go there at all, because then there would be 3 points on the graph. And right now we're only graphing 1. Let's try another point. Let's say we want to graph point B, and point B is the point negative 3 comma 0. Again, every point is an ordered pair, x comma y, which means on the x-axis, I locate negative 3, and negative 3 comma 0, I just stay exactly right there. So this is point B. Let's do one more. Let's do point C, and let's have point C be the point 0 comma 4. So notice this time, the 0 is on the x-axis, the 4 is on the y-axis. So start with 0 on the x-axis and then go up to 4. So that is point C. All right, directions. Plot the following points on the coordinate plane, then connect the points and name the shape that is formed. So every ordered pair is of the form x comma y. 0 and then down to negative 4, that's my first point. 6 on the x-axis and then up to 8 is right there. And negative 5 comma 3 is right here. So negative 5 is the x-axis and then 3 on the y-axis, and that's where we are. It says to connect these points, so when I connect them, I'm going to see a shape. The shape that we see here is a triangle. In question number 2, we have 4 points. We have the point negative 3, 0, 0, 4, 0, 4, 2, negative 1, negative 1, negative 4. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these points. And it kind of looks like a diamond, but honestly, a diamond is a rhombus, and a rhombus, all 4 sides are congruent, and there's special properties. So right now, you might be like, oh, that's what it is. No, because we can't confirm that, then we're just going to say that this is a quadrilateral, okay? It's definitely not a rectangle, because in a rectangle, opposite sides are congruent, and we have 4 right angles. but this is definitely a quadrilateral because a quadrilateral has 4 sides. Question number 3 also has 4 points, so we're going to make the assumption this is going to also be a quadrilateral. Let's go ahead and graph. -6, +2, 4, +2, -6, +8, and 4, 8. So notice, yes, I have a quadrilateral, but in this case, I can tell that this is going to be a rectangle. And the reason I know that is because every corner here has a right angle, opposite sides are congruent, and opposite sides are parallel. So if you don't know the properties for quadrilaterals, that's fine. You can also say this is a quadrilateral depending on what level of math you're in. But basically the best answer for this question is that it is a rectangle. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more help with math so that you can say, yes, I can do math with confidence. Until next time, thanks for watching.